Good morning, Omar.
Good morning, Leo. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Oh, where is the city?
I don't know. Is it on the map?
No, it is not.
I am very thirsty.
Me too. Is there any water?
No, the bottle is empty. It is very hot today. Yes, it is. I don't like the sun.
Look! What is that?
Where? I don't see it.
Over there!
Under the tree. Oh no! Look at the tire. It is broken. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Sami, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay now.
Thank you. We are so happy to see you. Hello, my name is Omar.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
Nice to meet you too. Can you carry this? Yes, it is heavy, but I am strong. Thank you for your help. What, Kay? What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. It is late. We must go now.
Are you hungry, Sammy?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
I am hungry too.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Good idea. I am tired. Goodbye, desert.